Alright, we made it to our apartment in Glasgow. And what time is it, babe?
It is 9:56.
It's 10 o'clock at night.
I'm sorry, 10:56.
It's 11 o'clock at night. Oh my gosh. I am so tired. We rented an Uber for the first time. That was pretty cool. You want to take your clothes off?
I want to get comfy.
Okay. Get comfy at the cozy place. We'll take you out on a cool adventure tomorrow. Peace. We are now at our first stop at Loch Lomond. Cruise Loch Lomond. Can't say that in my Scottish accent, but I see my beautiful bride over here, so we're gonna go see her. You want to take a picture of me?
Yeah.
Okay, I have to go back where she can get a picture of me. So, because she wants to. So I think this is a good spot. Maybe not. You may notice I'm not as lively as typical in my blogs, and that's because I'm fighting congestion and sickness. But hey, there's a bag of it.
We're going to continue on towards Loch Leven, which is a sea loch, so it's saltwater and tidal.
What do you think of it?
Interesting combination.
What was your favorite part of today's lunch?
The tuna. You too?
No, mine is definitely this cheesecake and warm pudding. It's so good.
In fact, over 1,000 years ago, St. Columba, when he established his abbey, came here to Loch Ness to visit one of the tribal chiefs who was a friend of his. And they were walking along the shore one day when they saw a fisherman on the shore being attacked by a gigantic creature. Now supposedly St. Columba stepped forward, lifted his cross and said, "Creature, be gone from whence you came." And the creature turned and swam off into the depths.
Moments ago, curtains were closed and a film was showing. In fact, you're gonna see it. We're closing. This is your film. This is your film.
Hi.
And it's coming to an end. Curtain call. Curtains closed. All right. We're going to explore. Lots of people on boats behind me. I reckon they might be looking for Nessie. I'm looking for the ghost of William Wallace. Or Donald McDonald. But these people may have scared the ghost away. If I was alive back then, there's a good chance this would have been my house. To find a ghost, I reckon it would be down here in the lower chambers of the castle. Ha! Like in here. Ghost. Hello, ghost. The storeroom. Ghost. Ha. Hello? Well, there's nothing down here. It's worth a shot, though. Let's go outside and see if we can spot Nessie on the Loch Ness. You know, honestly, it's quite cold out here. It's quite cold and windy. I think I'm gonna check out a few more places for ghosts, and then I'm gonna go capture that flag. Oh yeah. Ghost. Ghost. Maybe we'll see a baby Loch Ness in here. What's up here? Aha. It's nothing. Prison cell. But it looks way too low to host any ghost. Let's see if there's a ghost in here. Ghost? No. Just hard hat. I'll be. There's something. Hey. Well, I found a ghost disguised as a mannequin in the prison cell. Now I'm gonna make my way up this hill and capture this flag. I'm gonna capture the flag. If you get a picture of the Loch Ness, will you share it with me? Daddy's Tea Party. I made it to the flag. Unfortunately, I can't capture it as I promised because it's much taller than me. And this is pretty heavy duty stuff. But alright, Charlie and I are now getting some fish and chips
Thank
at
you.
a fish and chips restaurant. Charlie, I wanted to take a picture of those very cool bottles. What about the glass? The Mackay's restaurant, little fish and chips joint right next to the bar, is amazing. This burger is awesome. This is completely unsolicited. If you go to Scotland, go to this place. Port McCraig.
This fish is fresh. It's very good. We were stepping out into traffic.
Wow. Close call. You saved my life. That's where we ate, eh? Just touch ice creams. How's yours?
Mine is excellent.
Mine too. Dinner wouldn't be dinner without dessert.
But we've wandered many